today's lesson, I'll show you how to play White Riot by The Clash off of the self-titled record. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week. And here we go. The verse and intro, as with all Clash songs, there's two guitars that are kind of playing off of each other. The first guitar is going to play the chords, and they're mostly open chords, and it goes like this. One more time. Slowly. One more time slowly, because it's kind of, so you're playing open chords, and then when you play that last bit of the intro, when it goes, you're just hitting, for that third chord, or the second chord, you're just hitting the open E. So, one more time, it's, and then the second guitar is playing this kind of notey thing. So I like to play with my ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string. That way I have the mobility to hit the 5th fret with my first finger. And it goes like this. And it plays pretty similar to that rhythm all the way through. There's little variations, but that's basically it. We're going to go into this kind of little bridge part that is played before it gets into the verse. And again, there's the two different guitars playing similar but different things. I'm going to play the part that you can kind of hear best on the record. So you're going to start with an open E. And then you're going to slide up and play this triad with your index finger bridged over the 12th fret and your middle finger on the 13th fret of the G string. And it goes like this. And then when you slide back down, you want to hit like this from the A to the E string open. So it's kind of noisy and it's kind of ad-lib, but it's like. And then you're going to hit another E. You're going to slide up to the 14th fret and do these bends. So again, kind of all the way through. It's like I said before, it's real ad-libbed. I'll just play it and then I'll do it kind of slowly. All right, so one more time, real slowly. And then it goes back into the chorus. The verse, we're going to be playing, we're going to start with these Chuck Berry style bends with your index finger bridged over the 3rd fret on the B and E strings, and you're going to bend with your ring finger on the 5th fret of the G string. So it goes. So one more time. And then it does this like notey descending pattern. So all the way through it. And both guitars are playing that last bit, together. So one more time all the way through. And then it goes into power chords. So again, it's. And hit that 3rd fret on the low E string. One more time. Next part is the solo, which is based in the A minor pentatonic, and it goes like this. right, so we'll break it down. You're going to put your first finger on the 5th fret of the B string and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the G string to do that part. And then what you're going to want to do is then you're going to use your ring finger to hit the 7th fret on the G string. And then I kind of roll my finger back to hit that 5th fret on the E string. So it goes like this. So that's that first part of the solo. And then it goes, the next measure goes. So again, well, let's do the first two measures. Again. And then it goes back into a similar pattern from the first measure. So. And then you're going to slide up from the 2nd fret of the B string up to the 7th. It sounds like the 2nd fret. It doesn't have to be exact. It's just a big slide. And then, so you can slide up with your ring finger or middle finger, whatever feels best. So you're going to slide up to the 7th fret of the B string. And it's going to go. And I like to use my pinky. It's just kind of the way I naturally feel it. But you can use your ring finger. So again, that last part is. So that whole first section of the solo slowly. And then the next part, you're going to do these Chuck Berry style bends at the 5th fret. And then you're going to bend at the 5th fret of the B string. So up and down. And then hit the 7th fret of the D string. So slide up to the 11th fret. And then back to the 7th fret. So again, that last part all the way through slowly. That's it for the solo, and then it goes back into that open-y bridge part again. And then it goes into the chorus again, and that's the end of the song. So that's it for this lesson. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, remember to like it and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week. And the link for the tab to this lesson will be in the description. And I'll see you guys next time.